Good morning students. Today we are going to see chapter 13 Python and CSV files. Already we learned what is meant by Python. Now we are going to learn what is meant by CSV files. Here what is meant by CSV? A comma separated value files is a delimited text file that uses a comma to separate values. Each line of this file is a data record. Already we learned what is meant by record in DBMS. Each record consists of one or more fields separated by comma. Here the use of this comma as a field separator is the source of the name for this file. In this chapter we are going to learn what is CSV, what is the purpose of CSV file, how to create CSV files. Why do we study CSV files? Here, CSV is a simple file format which is used to store tabular data such as spreadsheet or a database. Here, files in the CSV format can be imported and exported from programs that store data in tables such as Microsoft Excel or OpenOffice Calc, etc. Here in data exchange from Excel to other database files like MySQL or OpenOffice Calculate, etc. Here the real life examples are e-commerce business that buys customer data from a social media website, in data exchange from Excel to other database files like MySQL or OpenOffice Calc, etc. What is CSV? A CSV file is a human readable text file. Here human readable text file like Notepad where each line has a number of fields. Here fields means columns. It's separated by commas or some other delimiter. Here delimiter means simples and simples combination. Difference between Excel and CSV. Here CSV is generally faster and less complicated when compared to Excel. Files saved in Excel format cannot be edited by text editors, and also Excel file can be password protected, but files saved in CSV format can be edited by text editor, but CSV file cannot be password protected. Like there are many differences, compare Excel and CSV. Here Excel is a binary file. Binary file means it holds information about both content and formatting type. But CSV is a plain text format. Here it's a series of values but separated by commas. And second one is Excel files can only be read by applications. That means we are going to read by applications by the format as well as what are the application we need to read, the same applications we are going to write in the way. CSV files can be opened with any text editor like Notepad, MS Excel, OpenOffice, etc. Here Excel files are going to save with .xls or XLS extension. Here the CSV files are going to save .csv extension. Here Excel consumes more memory while importing data. By comparing Excel, CSV consumes less memory while importing data. What is the purpose of CSV? CSV files are mostly used for importing and exporting important information such as customer or order data to and from your database. A most practical example of this would become an e-commerce business that buys customer data from a social media website. Here it's a simple file format used to store tabular data such as spreadsheet or databases. Since they are plain text, they are easier to import into a spreadsheet or any other storage database. You can open CSV files in a spreadsheet program like Microsoft Excel or in a text editor. ஸோ ஒரு சிம்பிளாக உள்ள ஃபைல் ஃபார்மேட்டை நம்ம அதில் உள்ள டேட்டாவை டேபிள் ஃபார்மேட்டில் ஸ்டோர் பண்ண போகிறோம். ஸோ இது plain டெக்ஸ்டாகவே இருந்தாலும் இது ஸ்ப்ரெட்ஷீட்லேயோ இல்லை வேறு டேட்டா பேஸ்லேயோ டேட்டாவை இம்போர்ட் பண்ணும்போது நமக்கு ரொம்ப ஈஸியாக இருக்குது. A CSV file is a text file. It can be created and edited using any text editor. A CSV file is created by exporting a spreadsheet or database in the program that can be created. Here there are the many ways to create CSV files. First one is create a CSV file in Notepad, that is create a CSV normal file. Second one is create a CSV file comma with data. Create a CSV file that contains comma with data. And third one is creating a CSV file that contains double quotes with data. And next one is create a CSV file using Microsoft Excel. Creating CSV file that contains comma with data. Let us see the example. Roll number, name, address 12101, comma Niveta, comma Mylapore, comma Chennai. Here the Mylapore Chennai is enclosed with double quotes. In the CSV file contains commas. You can product them by enclosing those data fields in double quotes. Here if it is contains comma, here this type of data can be enclosed by using double quotes. Here the commas that are part of your data will then be kept separate from the commas which delimit the fields themselves. That means commas அப்படிங்கிறது ஒரு வேல்யூஸ்லேருந்து செப்பரேட் ஆகும். இந்த டேட்டா ஃபுல்லாக ஒரே இதாக கன்சிடர் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா அந்த மாதிரியான டேட்டாவை நீ டபுள் கோட்ஸ்குள்ளே கொடுக்கணும். To retain the commas in address column, you can enclose the fields in quotation marks. Creating CSV normal file. To creating CSV normal file, in your notepad, click File and click New or Ctrl+N. Just have to enter the data you want the file to contain, separating each value with a comma and each row with a new line. Here the example is topic 1, comma topic 2, comma topic 3. Here topic 1, topic 2, topic 3 are the field names, that is column names. 1, 2, 3 are the records. Example 1, example 2, example 3. It's also a record. Save this content in a file with the extension .csv. You can open the same using Microsoft Excel or any other spreadsheet program. Here we have opened using Microsoft Excel. See, it would create a table of data similar to the following in the notepad. To retain the commas in address column, you can enclose the fields in quotation marks. After type the records, you are going to save the file as usual. Ctrl+S with the extension .csv. Now you can see only the fields that contains commas or enclosed in quotes. If you have opened this in Microsoft Excel, ஸோ இந்த எக்ஸாம்பிள் என்ன சொல்லியிருக்காங்க, ரோல் நம்பர், நேம், அட்ரஸ் இருக்குது. இங்கே ரோல் நம்பருக்கு கமா, ஸோ அப்போ அது ஒரு காலம் வேல்யூ. நேமுக்கு பக்கத்தில் கமா, அது ஒரு காலம் வேல்யூ. அட்ரஸுங்கிறது ஒரே காலம் தான். அந்த காலமில் உள்ள டேட்டாவுக்கு கமா வந்திருக்கு. ஸோ இப்படி ஒரு காலமில் உள்ள டேட்டாவுக்கு நான் கமா கொடுக்கணும்னா, ஸோ ஹியர் த டேட்டா இஸ் என்க்ளோஸ்டு வித் இன் த டபுள் கோட்ஸ். எக்ஸலில் பாரு, ரோல் நம்பர் 12101, நேம் நிவேதா, அட்ரஸில் மயிலாப்பூர் சென்னை அப்படிங்கிறது ஒரே காலத்துக்குள்ளே வந்திருக்கு. ஸோ ஹியர் ஒரு டேட்டாவை நான் கமாக்குள்ளே கொடுத்து, அதாவது கமாஸோடு கொடுக்கணும் அப்படின்னா அதை நான் எப்படி என்க்ளோஸ் பண்ணணும், டபுள் கோட்ஸோட. Here the same example, it goes for a new lines which may be part of your field data. Any fields containing a new line as parts of its data need to be enclosed in double quotes. Here the example is 121, Niveta, Mylapore, Chennai. Here see, Chennai is the new line format. And next one is 12102, Lavanya, Adaya. Here the Chennai also the thus contains the data which is the part of the new line. As like that the another example also. See the Excel file, roll number, name, address 12101, comma Niveta, Mylapore and comma Chennai. இந்த எக்ஸாம்பிள் என்ன சொல்கிறாங்க அப்படின்னா, இப்போ நான் நியூ லைன்னு நான் கொண்டு வரணும்னா இந்த நோட்பேடில் டைப் பண்ணும்போது இந்த மயிலாப்பூருக்கு அப்புறம் சென்னை எனக்கு கீழே வரணும் அப்படின்னா மயிலாப்பூருக்கு அப்புறம் சென்னை கொடுக்கும்போதே நான் நியூ லைனை கொடுத்துட்டேன்னா இதே மாதிரி எக்ஸல்லையும் உங்களுக்கு ஸ்டோர் ஆகும் அப்படிங்கிறது தான் சொல்கிறாங்க. Creating CSV file that contains table codes with data. If your field contains table codes as part of the data, the internal quotation marks need to be doubled so that they can be interpreted correctly. For example, roll number, name, favorite sports, address. Here 12101 Niveta, cricket, football, Mylapore, Chennai. Here the favorite sports which are enclosed by double quotes. Here this quotation marks are needed to be doubled so that they can be interpreted correctly. அதாவது எக்ஸல்லையும் எனக்கு வந்து டபுள் கோட்ஸோடு தான் வரணும் அப்படின்னா நம்ம அந்த இன்டர்னல் குவாட்டேஷன்ஸை டபுள் அதாவது 2 தட்டி கொடுக்கணும். create a CSV file using Microsoft Excel. To create a CSV file using Microsoft Excel, first you are going to open the file in Microsoft Excel and type the format in data, item name, cost rupees, quantity, profit. Once the data is entered in the worksheet, select File, Save As option. Here the Save As type option, select CSV, delimited. Select CSV, delimiter or file name along with extension .csv. After saving Excel file as CSV, you are free to open it up in any text editor to view it or edit it manually. Here see the example: item name, cost rupees, quantity, profit, keyboard, 480, 12, 1152, monitor, 5200, 10, 10,400, mouse 200, 50, 2000. Total profit is 13,552. Rules to be followed to format data in a CSV file. Separate data fields with a delimiter, usually a comma. Keep each record on a separate line. Do not follow the last record in a field with carriage return. In the first line of the file, include a header with a list of the column names in the file. Make sure the header list is delimited in the same way as the rest of the file. Remember that the enclosing character, typically double quotes, it must be used when required. Here the first one is each record is to be located on a separate line. It's delimited by a line break. That is nothing but pressing enter key. Here the example is XXX, YYY. Here this symbol denotes the enter key to be pressed. And second one is The lost record in the file may or may not have an ending line break. If you want to an ending break, you have to type it, otherwise you don't need to type. Here in the first line of the file, it includes a header with a list of column names in the file. Here this header will contain names corresponding to the fields in the file and should contain the same number of fields as record. For example, field name 1, field name 2, field name 3, like AAA, BBB, CCC. Here this end of the file, that is CRLF, is nothing but carriage return and line feed. Here within this header, here each record there contain many fields and also it's separated by commas. Here spaces should not be ignored. Here the lost field in the record must not be followed by a comma. For example, red comma blue. Here the lost one is blue, so it does not contain comma. Here the file, it contains line breaks, double quotes and commas. It should be enclosed in double quotes. And next one is, if double quotes are used to enclose fields, then a double quote appearing inside a field, it must be preceded with another double quote. Here see the example, red blue green. Here red, blue, green are the data which is enclosed by double quotes. Each field may or may not be enclosed in double quotes. If you are not enclosed with double quotes, it may not appear inside the fields. Here see the example. First, the field that contains with double quotes, and next one is the field that doesn't contain with double quotes. And sixth one is, here the file contains line breaks, that is nothing but CRLF, double quotes and commas. It should be enclosed in double quotes.